Are you sick and tired of wasting your money on credit repair agencies, credit repair gurus that tell you one thing, promise you the world, and continue to let you down? My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott, and inside of our credit community, not only am I teaching you everything that you need to know to repair your credit and get the results that you desire, but I'm going to be showing you exactly what the gurus are doing in order to get the results that they advertise on social media. Everyone's credit journey is going to look different, and that's why it's so important for you to understand this information and for you to educate yourself on how to move forward, how to build credit, how to structure your credit report, how to get funding, how to build business credit, how to leverage your credit and create multiple streams of income. These are just some of the topics that we are going to be covering inside of our credit community. We just started our credit community, guys, and I welcome you to join today.